Alright, I finally did a compression check after continuing to have problems, which I should have done first. But I went ahead and did a compression check after redoing the old carburetor that was in there and getting the same symptoms, that it would idle high, start fine, but anytime you put throttle on it would just die. So did the compression test, and with both of my compression testers got about a 60 compression, which wasn't good. So just some things that I noticed after taking the motor apart. I am assuming that this motor had some work done to it. So what I noticed here, we've got a dry looking exhaust valve, a real carbonated intake valve, a lot of carbon buildup. Now I noticed this right here, potential problem with the head gasket, some blow through maybe. And then I also noticed some discoloration right here, and as you can see right here. And I noticed that actually I noticed that at first on the head gasket itself. Again, this would be, as you can see, that side right there. So what I am assuming, and then when I looked at the lower part, it kind of confirmed. Again, here's the exhaust side right here. The exhaust side right here, again some discoloration. And then when you look on the inside, we've got, this is the exhaust side right here, some really bad looking area right there. Let me see if I can get a better view of this. I think that sun is causing some problems. There we go. You can see that is that exhaust side. So I think what was happening was it was escaping the hot gases, causing some scorching and some pretty deep pitting in there. Let's see if we can find that. See if it will so I mean, the piston actually looked pretty good, but and then there's like three different areas. At the bottom you've got good looking cross hashing, and then about half from that you've got kind of a bright, and then up on top you can actually see some, all along here you can see some of the indentions of the old rings and stuff like that. So you know, my neighbor did say that it had, when he bought it, he knew that it had been in some water. So but I think somebody went through it. I actually think somebody took some I think somebody bored this out and then put back in the old piston. That is just my theory. And then didn't put in a new head gasket. I don't know. I can't confirm that for sure, but that's just it just, when I open it up, the piston just seemed to be so loose in there. Trying to find the piston. Oh, there it is. It's still attached to. Lots of oil on this side. The oil ring really doesn't seem to have much life in it. It's just really compressed. All these other rings were freely moving. No problem with them, I don't think. I mean, the piston really doesn't look in that bad shape. So, but